MarineMax Crosslake just received a 2026 Barletta Sanza 22QC. This one's in blue sapphire, gray black accent interior, standard flip-up cleats, a nice flip-down, easy-to-enter ladder, Mercury's 154 stroke, easy-to-use tow bar going up into it. Nice, simple, but quality helm center, hook Lowrance floor, quality gauges, dock and doggy view doors, equipped with 4 speakers, USB ports on both sides. We've got storage under the seat. Here's our garbage can. We also have 2 more in the back. One on each side, with plenty of storage under the seats as well. And more storage in the center of the boat. Let's pack this baby up and go spend the day on the water. Thank you.